As part of a pre-flight risk assessment, the pilot first needs to evaluate themselves for flight readiness. As it relates to the planned flight, pilots should consider their legal currency, their personal proficiency, and then check the items on the I'm safe checklist. The A on this checklist is alcohol. The FAA has 3 requirements related to alcohol consumption for pilots, laid out in 14 CFR Part 91.17. First on the list is a hard cutoff at 8 hours. No flying is allowed within 8 hours after the consumption of any alcohol. Some operations may impose even stricter limits. Delta and United, for example, have a 12-hour abstinence rule, and pilots may consider a stricter personal minimum as well, based on their own habits and metabolism. The FAA rule is 8 hours, answer A. The 2 other FAA regulations are added to this one. Even if alcohol hasn't been touched in over 8 hours, pilots cannot fly with a blood alcohol concentration of over 0.04%. This is twice as strict as the limit for driving a car in the United States. Finally, there's a catch-all regulation that pilots may not be a crew member while under the influence of alcohol. This means that even if it's been 8 hours, and even if a blood test would come back under 0.04, pilots are disqualified from flying if there's any hint of impairment.